Mass shootings are incidents involving multiple victims of firearm-related violence. One study found that nearly one-third of the world's public mass shootings between 1966 and 2012, 90 of 292 incidents, occurred in the United States. The New York Times recorded the same total of mass shootings for that span of years. The Washington Post recorded 163 mass shootings in the United States between 1967 and June 2019. Mother Jones recorded 140 mass shootings between 1982 and February 2023. The Associated Press recorded 59 mass shootings between 2006 and August 2022. The Violence Project of the National Institute of Justice recorded 185 mass shootings from 1966 to December 2022. The Federal Bureau of Investigation designated 61 events as active shooter incidents in 2021. The United States has had more mass shootings than any other country. Shooters generally either commit suicide afterward or are restrained or killed by law enforcement officers. The reasons behind mass shootings in the United States are complex and multifaceted. And it is important to note that there is no single factor that can fully explain every incident. However, several key factors are often cited in discussions on this issue. Access to firearms. The easy availability of firearms in the United States is often highlighted as a contributing factor to mass shootings. The country has relatively lenient gun laws compared to many other developed nations, making it easier for individuals to obtain firearms, including high-capacity weapons. Mental health issues. Many mass shooters have been found to have underlying mental health problems. While the vast majority of individuals with mental illnesses are not violent, untreated or undiagnosed mental health conditions can potentially increase the risk of someone resorting to violence. Social and cultural factors. Some argue that certain aspects of American society, such as a culture of violence, media influence, or societal alienation, may contribute to the occurrence of mass shootings. Social isolation, feelings of marginalization, or a lack of strong support systems can potentially lead individuals to turn to violence as a means of expressing their anger or frustration. Copycat phenomenon. Mass shootings, particularly those that receive extensive media coverage, can inspire subsequent acts of violence. The publicity surrounding these incidents may lead to the contagion effect, where some individuals seek to gain attention or notoriety by emulating previous attackers. Socioeconomic factors. Economic inequality, poverty, and lack of opportunities in certain communities can contribute to a sense of hopelessness and despair, potentially increasing the risk of violence. It's important to note that the causes of mass shootings are still a subject of debate, and researchers, policymakers, and experts continue to study and analyze the various factors involved. Additionally, it is crucial to approach the topic with sensitivity, as it involves complex issues related to mental health, individual behavior, and societal dynamics. Efforts to address mass shootings in the United States often focus on a combination of gun control measures, mental health support and resources, early intervention and identification of potential threats, and community-based initiatives. Some proposed solutions include strengthening background checks for firearm purchases, implementing red flag laws that allow for the temporary removal of firearms from individuals deemed a risk to themselves or others, promoting responsible firearm ownership, improving access to mental health services, and fostering a culture of inclusivity and social connectedness. It's worth noting that other countries with stricter gun control laws have experienced fewer mass shootings, suggesting that firearm regulations play a role in reducing the frequency and severity of these incidents. However, implementing effective solutions requires a comprehensive approach that addresses multiple aspects of the issue and involves collaboration among lawmakers, mental health professionals, law enforcement agencies, and communities as a whole. Promoting research, open dialogue, and proactive measures to address the underlying causes of mass shootings is crucial to make progress toward preventing such tragedies and creating a safer society.